If your mornings feel like a bland blur, fear not. Today, we're shaking things up with 10 delicious and wholesome breakfast ideas that'll make your taste buds dance happily. Say goodbye to the same old cereal and hello to a breakfast bonanza. But before we dive into the details, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our health and wellness content. First up, let's talk overnight oats. Just mix some rolled oats with your favorite milk, pop it in the fridge, and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it off with fresh berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's like breakfast magic. This no-cook option is perfect for busy mornings and keeps you full with all that fiber. Next, let's level up your toast game with avocado toast and a poached egg. Mash up some avocado on whole grain toast and add that perfectly poached egg on top. If you're feeling adventurous, sprinkle on some chili flakes for a spicy kick. It's easy, quick, and absolutely delicious. Feeling like a smoothie bowl kind of day? Blend some frozen fruits like berries and bananas with a splash of yogurt for that creamy goodness. Pour it into a bowl and go wild with the toppings. Granola, chia seeds, fresh fruit, the possibilities are endless. This breakfast is as fun to make as it is to eat. Craving pancakes but want to keep it healthy? Try banana oatmeal pancakes. With just 2 ingredients, bananas and oats, these are a healthy twist on a classic breakfast. They're gluten-free, naturally sweet from the bananas, and ready in minutes. Top them off with some yogurt and a drizzle of maple syrup for a delightful start to your day. Short on time but still want something delicious for you? A Greek yogurt parfait is your new best friend. Layer creamy Greek yogurt with crunchy granola and a mix of berries for a quick, high-protein breakfast. Perfect to grab and go when you're running late but still want to feel good about what you're eating. Need a breakfast that's quick, refreshing, and totally hits the spot? Look no further than a smoothie. Blend up your favorite fruits with some milk or juice for a delicious base. Feeling like you need a little extra power? Sneak in a handful of spinach for some greens. Want to stay satisfied for longer? Add some chia seeds or a scoop of protein powder. The beauty of smoothies is that you can totally customize them to your taste and what your body needs. Speaking of winning, let's talk about saving your mornings with the magic of meal prep. Egg muffins are here to be your hero. Whip up these baked eggs ahead of time by mixing eggs with chopped veggies and cheese, then bake them in a muffin tin. Store them in the fridge, and voila! You've got a portable, protein-packed breakfast ready for those crazy mornings. No more scrambling, pun intended, to figure out what to eat when you're running out the door. Egg muffins are your grab-and-go breakfast bestie. Sometimes, you just gotta have some nut butter and fruit toast. It's a classic for a reason. Spread some almond or peanut butter on whole grain toast, then add slices of banana or apple on top. It's a great way to get healthy fats, protein, and fiber to keep you energized all morning. Feeling fancy? We've got you covered with ricotta and berry crepes. Use store-bought crepes or make your own. Fill them with creamy ricotta and fresh berries, and you've got a breakfast that feels like a treat but is still good for you. Perfect for a lazy weekend morning or a quick weekday pick-me-up. Finally, blueberry oatmeal bars. These no-bake bars are made with oats, peanut butter, and honey, making them perfect for meal prepping. Whip up a batch on the weekend and enjoy a quick, healthy breakfast all week long. They're also great for a healthy snack on the go. So there you have it, 10 breakfast ideas to get your creative breakfast juices flowing. They're all quick, easy, and packed with nutrients to keep you feeling your best. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious ideas. Let us know in the comments which one you're excited to try first.